Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Alright guys, so you know we're building our outdoor kitchen. It's raining. Couldn't do the video because while I'm building it, because the rain is pouring so much. But I just want to give you guys an idea of what is really actually going on here. So over this side, this is where we put the wood underneath. We was cooking yesterday. You could check out that live. This is where we was cooking. So here you could grill. You could grill and you could also put the pot right on top of there and put the fire underneath, and the fire is burning and it's gonna cook whatever you're cooking. It could barbecue whatever you barbecuing. This is the addition that I did today. This is, as you see, I laid on a stone right here, just like how I laid on the stone there. That to keep it from getting wet. You might come out a morning and the ground is wet, and sometimes that could be a little challenging. So we have the stone to keep the moisture from the underneath. So what we do, we build it around with the blocks, as you can see. Then we come inside with the brick. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be pushing the wood underneath. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we're gonna be catching the fire underneath there, and we're gonna be feeding the fire from here. We have some air pocket behind there that the air could come in and feed the fire. So this is basically the oven. This is where we're gonna be baking whatever, potato, bread, whatever. So here is where we open. If you notice to the bottom, we have the metal here, and we have this, which is the cover here. So we open and we put whatever we got to put in there, and it's gonna bake. We still have some sealing up to do, but the rain is coming, so this is just an update of the outdoor kitchen and the outdoor grill. So we will able to bake, we will also able to cook, and we will also able to barbecue. Follow us on this journey, guys, because our next video on this gonna be when we cooking, and we also gonna build another grill. So follow us, support the channel, hit that like button, guys. All right, peace and love.